Welcome to the 5th of December in 1945. 5 planes disappeared, and at that time many people were amazed at this reason and wanted to know the thing that drove these planes to disappear in this amazing way at the time. No one was aware of the danger of entering the area known as the demonic Bermuda Triangle. This area extends between the Bahamas to San Juan Beach in Portrego on the coast of Florida. This is what makes this area look like a triangle as you see in the video. And today in this video we will get acquainted with the strangest stories that happened in this area called the Bermuda Triangle. But first of all, our honorable viewers, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to it. It is said that after the disappearance of the 5 planes, a plane was sent to search for them, but it disappeared the other. This is what made the matter more complicated. Also before it, many ships and airplanes have disappeared in this region, and so far, many scientists are trying to find out the reason for their disappearance, which makes a lot of energy. The ships disappear in this way, and among the most famous of the incidents is the disappearance of a marine ship SS Cotopaxi in the Bermuda Triangle area and its appearance 90 days after the disappearance. This ship was established for the first time in World War I until the goods are transported to the United States of America, and in 1925 this ship was exposed to disappearance. During the period, many people did not know that the Bermuda Triangle area is considered one of the dangerous areas in which anyone passing through it can disappear. It is said that the captain of the ship at that time used to say that what is happening with him is strange things that had no explanation. This is what makes the escape from this situation as difficult and impossible, and it is strange that no one has been able to discover any traces of the wreck of this ship or the remains of the bodies of the passengers. This is what made the matter more complicated, and after 30 days the disappearance of this ship was restricted to the list of mysterious disappearances that have no explanation. And among the strangest discoveries it happened around the world is the discovery that was made in 2015, when scientists were able to discover a wrecked ship. And at that time the Cuban state authorities stated that this ship belonged to the old ship that had disappeared in 1925. Scientists were able to discover this ship on May 16, 2015. At this point, many scientists wanted to reach a real and convincing explanation about the disappearance of this ship for all this time and its appearance in this region, and now many people want to know the reason that made this ship is exposed to a difficult accident, which led to the end of the crash after passing the Bermuda Triangle. But this made many people put many possibilities, other than the Bermuda Triangle, where some say that the reason that led to the disappearance of this ship to the aliens and those who attacked it when it was sailing in this region. There are many supporters for this idea, but there is no scientific evidence in support of the correctness of the words. But what made many avoid this theory and that the ship was actually on the coast of Cuba, which means that the aliens had no involvement in the matter. It is said that 15 years ago this diver found deep 65 kilometers on the coast of Florida, many shipwrecks. It is said that some of this wreck belongs to this ship that we are talking about, which means that it may have been subjected to a difficult accident, which led to its disappearance. By this the way is vague, but in fact it is not possible to rely on this evidence only. But after conducting many studies it became clear that what this diver thought was true and correct, but he was able to prove this thing after a long time because this ship is another ship that was sunk in 1925. But this did not make him able to know the reason behind its sinking, and for this he said that it is possible that the ship was exposed to a storm, which led to its sinking in this way, as it is said that this area contains many environmental changes, which make the waves and storms very severe, and it is possible that cause any ship to sink very easily. But what scientists cannot explain until now is how the waves can drown aircraft at the same time. It is strange that before the ship disappeared in the Bermuda Triangle and appeared in the desert, but scientists have not been able to explain it yet. If you like the video, do not forget subscribe to the channel.